Hello, everyone. According to research, there are around 40 quintillion star-forming black holes lurking in the dark places of space. In order to fully understand the magnitude of this number, let's show it with a number. Yes, isn't it enormous? Fortunately, we are a safe distance away from this and many other stellar black holes. There is no need to worry about this for now. How many black holes do you think are in our Milky Way galaxy, which is home to our home? Assuming that our galaxy reached its present size about 5 billion years ago, we can calculate that the number of stars that have turned into black holes in the last 5 billion years is around 10 billion. In other words, there are at least 10 billion black holes floating around in our galaxy, the Milky Way. Things just got more frightening now, right? But what if we suddenly became a black hole's luncheon? Let's examine the answer to this question together. Black holes are the most compact celestial bodies known, formed by stars much more massive than our sun collapsing into themselves or by a supernova explosion. In short, black holes are born from the death of star. Black holes formed by a star collapsing or exploding are called stellar black holes and are quite common in the universe. These black holes, which are about 16 km in diameter, also have a rival and are called supermassive black holes. These have roughly the diameter of our solar system and more mass than 1,000,000 suns combined. Due to its dense mass and extreme gravitational force, it could have destroyed not only Mercury, but also us. Good luck to the fog after this point. When the black hole gets close enough to the Earth, the side closest to it will begin to stretch towards the black hole first, vacuuming our atmosphere. And then the inevitable end will happen and the Earth will shatter. Depending on what your definition of luck is, if the Earth manages to fall into the orbit of the black hole, we will experience tidal warming. The strong and unstable gravity on Earth will constantly deform the planet. This massive amount of internal friction will heat the Earth's core to incredible proportions, which will likely cause earthquakes. It will cause volcano eruptions and tsunamis. Means that there will be a 1 trillion times difference between your head and your toe. This force is the tidal force that happens to our world. As you continue to stretch out to your atoms, your body will form elongated like a spaghetti. The tragedy you experience is what scientists call spaghettification. This event can occur several hundred kilometers from the event horizon for an average-sized stellar black hole. But if you start falling into a supermassive black hole, you will reach the event horizon much further from the central gravitational source. In short, congratulations. If you fall into a supermassive black hole, you will painlessly cross the event horizon without getting the consistency of a long, thin noodle. Now you know which black hole to choose if you have to choose between black hole. When faced with a stellar black hole, everything you can think of, including our solar system, is bound to pass through the event horizon and shatter down to its atoms. On the other hand, when we come face to face with a black hole, that delicate balance of our solar system is disturbed and the planets start colliding with each other. The asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter begins to pull towards us, which means another disaster scenario. Of the 552,894 known asteroids in the asteroid belt, about 200 of them, even one of these asteroids more than 100 kilometers wide, were to hit us, we would be dead without the consistency of spaghetti. Frankly, we're not sure which fate would be worse. All the matter in our solar system joins the accretion disk around the black hole. As matter is drawn into the black hole, it produces large amounts of radiation. So even if we got rid of all the asteroids somehow, we'd probably be dead from radiation. Worse still, we could eventually be thrown out of orbit or swallowed by the sun or the black hole. We're sorry, but we don't have a win in these scenarios. But maybe one day we can find a way to protect ourselves with a hyper-powered space shuttle. And if we manage to pass through the event horizon safely, we could end up in an area where the laws of physics have completely collapsed. Gravity, the speed of light, and even the way atoms attach and react, things like that, can be completely different. Who knows? Maybe we'll find ourselves in our daughter's bedroom or get a chance to see a wormhole. It's kind of sad that we'll never find out. That's all from us for now. What do you think is beyond the black hole? Please share your ideas with us in the comments section. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. See you in the next video.